Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Just thought I'd show you my new setup here. You may have watched one of my videos already. What I'm using is a different format. I'm using a, uh, you're actually seeing me in two pictures here. So one is you're seeing me on my normal setup, and the other you're seeing me on one screen, you see the actual workbench. And then the other screen, you're seeing me in my office. So comment down below and let me know if you guys like this. So we can actually do things together now and you can see what I'm working on. Okay? So be greatly appreciated, and feedback is always great. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel all dedicated to aviation. This is my hobby. I like watching airplanes. I like flying them. I like model airplane building. There's always something going on this workbench or the workbench behind me. As you can see, the EAA bike is sitting in the back in kind of like a little bit of a shambles. Um, there'll be build videos going on with that aircraft and whatever's on the table right now, which is the Kiwi. Um, this channel is all about aviation. You'll see videos about planes flying by, planes landing, planes taking off, helicopters, um, anything. Even stuff for me. I work. I work in aviation right now. I work in a tear down shop. So what we do is we tear planes apart, and sell off the parts. So it's a fun job. It's very rewarding, and I like doing what I do. So. And I just figured I'll bring you guys along for the ride so you guys can see what else is what other parts of this hobby are. So it'd be greatly appreciated again if you could hit the thumbs up button, and we will go on along on this journey together. All right, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Have to head to the flying field now. Model Man Frank out.